Hey, what's up, gamers? Whether you're a competitive player, a content creator, or just someone who loves gaming, having a powerful rig that keeps its cool under pressure is a must. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best water-cooled gaming PCs you can get in 2024. These beasts combine powerful hardware with superior cooling, ensuring peak performance even during the most intense sessions. Number 5. Thermaltake Arctic Y360T R4. This is the perfect choice for those looking for a balance of affordability and performance. With its 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and RTX 360 graphics card, this rig can handle AAA titles without breaking a sweat. The standout feature here is the customized water cooling solution, which not only keeps your system cool, but also adds a sleek aesthetic thanks to the RGB lighting on the liquid cooling tubes. The Arctic One 360 TR4 is built with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and 1 TB NVMe SSD storage, offering fast boot times and ample space for your gaming library. Number 4. Vipertech Overlord AMD Ryzen 5. This custom-built machine comes equipped with a liquid-cooled AMD Ryzen 5 5600X processor and an NVIDIA GTX 4070 graphics card with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and 512 GB NVMe SSD. You get fast load times and enough room for all your favorite games. Number 3. Ocean Park AMD Ryzen 7. This water-cooled gaming PC is an absolute powerhouse with its AMD Ryzen 7 5800X processor and RTX 3060 graphics card. Whether you're playing the latest AAA games or engaging in some heavy video editing, this rig has the power to handle it all. Its closed-loop water cooling system ensures that the system remains cool and quiet even under heavy load, giving you peak performance at all times. With 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB NVMe SSD storage, you can enjoy fast multitasking and ample storage for all your games and media. Number 2. iBuyPower Y40 RTX 4060 Ti. Powered by an Intel Core i7 13700KF processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti graphics card, this rig is built for gamers who want the latest and greatest in technology. Whether you're playing at 1440p or even pushing into 4K territory, this PC can handle it. The 240mm AIO water cooling system ensures that your components stay cool, even during marathon gaming sessions. Along with 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB NVMe SSD, you get next-gen speed and storage. Number 1. Corsair Vengeance i7500. This is the ultimate water-cooled gaming PC for anyone serious about gaming at the highest level. Packed with an Intel Core i9 13900K processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4090 graphics card, it's ready to tackle the most demanding games in 4K and beyond. With this rig, you're not just playing games, you're dominating them. The custom water cooling system keeps the thermals in check while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. Plus, the 64 GB DDR5 RAM and 2 TB NVMe SSD give you insane multitasking abilities and massive storage. So that will be the end of today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one.